Let us go to the next number, which was number 7C and also 7E. Number 7 iri kuti write down the next 3 members of the following sets. Tikatarisa pa C tina 1, 4, 9, 16 tiri kuda the next 3 members of that set. What we have to do kuti tiwane the next 3 members of that set, we have to understand something. What we basically have to understand kuti what is the pattern. Remember, we defined mathematics as a study of relationships, a study of patterns. Saka pattern irapo ichi. One of the easiest, quickest, and cleanest ways of finding out the pattern in numbers in a number sequence is to look at the in-between number. Saka toda kutarisa the in-between number. When you want to say the in-between number, what we do is tinoti 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. Saka panapa we have 3. Saka the way we look at it, 34 minus 1 tukawana 3. Tikati futi 1 plus 3 tinowana 4. Saka 3 ndio number iri pakati panapa, in between number. We can come then here, takuti isusu 9 minus 4 we get 5, of which 4 plus 5 inotipa 9. Takuda iso zvakare, takuti 16 minus 9 tinowana 7, of which 9 plus 7 inotipa 16. Saka we have 3 in between numbers. Atova 3 kudaro, we can determine, we can know what is the relationship between those numbers. 3, 5, 7. If you think hard enough, you quickly notice kuti na in between numbers edu, they are prime numbers. And what is a prime number? We have defined this again and again. A prime number is a number with 2 factors, 1 and itself. A prime number in number inokwanisa kungova divided into by itself and also by 1. So since taziva the relationship existing between my in-between numbers, what we now have to do is we have to find the next in-between number, of which the next in-between number is the next prime number after 7. Saka has 8, nekuti 4 anopinda muna 8. Has 9, nekuti 3 anopinda muna 9. Has 10, nekuti 5 anopinda muna 10. Saka ndeani ndi 11. So ari 11 kudaro, what we now need to know is what is 16 plus 11. Why at 16 plus 11? Because ndiyo relationships akare iri between manamba ari pamusoro neari pazasi. Panapa tati 1 plus 3 tikawana 4. Panapa tikati 4 plus 5 tikawana 9. Kureva kuti tikati 16 plus 11 chawanani 27. Saka 27 is our first number, kana kuti member of this set. Then manje tadaro, what is our next prime number? Our next prime number is going to be, 12 cannot be because of 6, saka ndi 13. Then takuti isusu 27 plus 13 tinowanani? Tinowana 40. What is our next prime number? 14 aite because of 7, 15 aite because of 3, 16 aite because of 4, saka ndeyani is 17. Then takuti 40 plus 17 kuti tiwane ani? Kuti tiwane 57. Saka pamusoro panapa, the numbers which are required, it's 27, 40, and 57. I think you have understood, especially now yechi in between numbers. Saka tikawana ma-in-between numbers edu, then totsvaga relationship. Tatsvaga relationship, ichatudza the next 3 in-between numbers which are usable kuti tiwane zvatiri kuda. Let us now look at E. Saka paE zvanoda kuita, I want to feign kana kuti kunyepedzera ignorance kuti ive a teachable moment. What do I mean? Let us say toda kutsvaga ma-in-between numbers again paE panapa, which is actually one of the earliest steps many of you will take. Saka kuti timawane tati tinoti number inotevera subtracting number iri kuitevera. Saka 1 minus 1 ndiani? It's 0, okay? 2 minus 1 ndi 1, okay? 3 minus 2 ndiani? Ndi 1, okay? And 5 minus 3 ndiani? Ndi 2. Takatarisa ma-in-between numbers edu, it's very impossible, very difficult kuti tiwane any relationship there. Someone might think kuti since yati 011 inofanga kuzoti 22, and but mubvunzo ndewekuti by what rule have you actually written there? Wazwana kupi ndo mubvunzo. Saka panapa manje, this is a special sequence. This is a special sequence. What do we mean kana tichiti this is a special sequence? This is actually called a Fibonacci sequence. Saka you can go and do further research on what the Fibonacci sequence actually is. The Fibonacci sequence, maybe if you like reading, if you have read Dan Brown, especially bhuku rake rinonzi the Da Vinci Code, there are chapters dedicated to, in passing of course, because this is a work of fiction, dedicated to the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence zvainotaura hama dzangu ndezvekuti tikati 1 plus 1 tinowana 2. Saka we just add manumber 2 ekutanga towana echi 3, which is this 2. Tikati 2 plus 1 tichawana 3. Tikati 3 plus 2 towana 5. Kureva kuti this number teta kuti 5 plus 3 kuti tiwana 8. Then from there 8 plus 5 kuti tiwane 13. Tozoti 13 plus 8 kuti tiwane 21. As easy as that. Saka we have special sequences. Tine ma-sequence ari special akaita se-Fibonacci sequence. Atori nenzira inoshandiswa kuti timawane. Of course, by this name you can rightly assume kuti someone called Fibonacci ndiye akagadzira this sequence. So I put this actually as a difficult question. In my marking, the predetermination was panapa, it's 1 mark, but panapa and there's a 2 marks. Because I know kuti very few people know about the Fibonacci sequence. And by the way, our course reader, the new general mathematics book, this question I took it from book 1. The Fibonacci sequence is introduced in passing in book 1. So we are done with this question. Our next question is going to be number 9.